Ever get hiccups and wonder what's actually happening? It's not a curse, it's your diaphragm. That's the muscle just below your lungs that helps you breathe. Sometimes, when you eat too fast, drink soda, or even get stressed, it spasms. And that weird ick sound. That's your vocal cords snapping shut from the spasm. Basically, your body glitched for a second. Want to stop it? Try holding your breath, sipping cold water slowly, or swallowing a spoonful of sugar. Weird, maybe. But hey, if it works, it works. To know more fun facts, subscribe to Hex Feather.